Hello, everyone. In this session, we will cover the Business Partner Group data migration. The agenda of this session is to understand the Business Partner Group data migration by using an ETL script. The objective is to migrate Business Partner Group data from the source data template to the Onfinity ERP application. Let us move to the next slide. Here are the prerequisites for the migration. The first prerequisite is the tenant and organization configuration must be completed on the migration instance. A migration user must be available or created with the name as the import user. During the migration, whatever data is migrated, those records will be created with the name as the import user. The Talon tool must be set up and configured properly to set up the tool. You can refer to the Talon setup video. The next point is to watch the data template overview video. This video helps you to understand the data template structure and how you can fill the data into the template. Now moving to the next slide. A business partner group is a classification used to group a similar type of customer, vendor, or other partner. A business partner group is a master data, which we are using under the vendor and customer master data template for business partner groups. Our template is the customer master, and its worksheet name is business partner group. Let me show you the data template. This is a customer master data template. We are using the same template for business partner group data. Let us open this template. Click on this template. This is a business partner group worksheet. Under this worksheet, we will fill the data related to the business partner group. We are referring to the business partner group data under the customer master sheet as a master data. So, whatever the business partner group is associated with the customer, all the master records must first be defined in this worksheet. Otherwise, during the migration, those records will go into an error. Now let us validate the data. Go to the instruction sheet, go to the trigger section, and click on this Business Partner Group button. Business Partner Group worksheet data validation is completed. No issues were found. So, all data is in the correct format. This validation basically highlights the duplicate record, mandatory field, and data format related issues. Let me show you one error. Let us say we entered this record 2 times in the file. Now go to the instruction sheet and again validate the data. The Business Partner Group worksheet data validation has been completed, and some issues were found. Move back to the Business Partner Group worksheet. Now you can see it has highlighted the non-trade vendor record because this group name is appearing 2 times, so the Business Partner Group name should be a unique value. So we can remove this duplicate record and we can revalidate the data again. Now our data is in an accurate format. Now let us move to the application. To see where the data will appear after the migration, you should log in with your credentials. This is the application homepage. Go to the menu and search for the Business Partner Group category on this screen, where we will migrate the Business Partner Group data from our source template. Now, let us move to the Talon for the migration, and we need to save this template and move it into the Talon source folder. Close this template and save it. I have placed this template under my Talon folder structure, Talon Value, ERP, Postgre Finance, Source Finance, and Customer Master, then the source template. Now move to the Talon. Under the Talon repository, go to the Finance folder, then navigate to the Customer Master. Then inside the Customer Master, there is another folder called Business Partner Group. You should expand this folder, and the first job is the Business Partner Group staging job. Double-click on this job. So firstly, we will load the data into the staging job. This job will read the data from our source data template and load it into the staging table. To run this job, go to the Run section and click on the Run button to execute the job. Now our staging data is successfully populated. Now, from the staging job, we will load the data into the main table. For this, open this main customer BP group job. In this job, we are reading the data from the staging table, and after transforming the data as per the required format, we are loading it into the target table. To run this job, go to the Run section, Click on the Run button, and the execution of the job has started. Main job data is also successfully migrated. In case we get any errors during the execution of the job, we are catching those errors into the error folder. You should go to the Talent folder, then the Finance folder, then the respective data object, Customer Master in this folder. So in this folder, we will get all the logs or errors. This is our file related to the business partner group. Right now, we are not getting any errors, so there is no number error as you can see. Now you should move to the application to see if the data has been migrated. Go to the search section and press enter. Our 4 records have been successfully migrated. So in this way, our business partner group data is successfully migrated. That was all for this session. Thank you for attending.